Hi friends, what is SQL Server Instance? A foundation concept for every SQL professional needed for any database project. What is instance? This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, and let's understand today few details about SQL Server Instance in this short video. Instance means a successful installation of SQL Server. You know, we can install up to 50 times installation of SQL Server on a single operating system. So instance can be defined as one server or one unit of installation. It has its own database engine, it has its own set of system databases, master model, MSDB, TempDB, and it has its own agent, the SQL Server Agent Service for automations. And you know, without instance, there is no storage in SQL Server. Now, let's understand the types of instances. In SQL Server, instance has two broad categories. Number one, default instance. Number two, named instance. Default means SQL Server installation name will be taken automatically as MSSQL Server. Server name will be computer name. Named instance means we define our own name during installation, and server name would be computer name / instance name. On my screen, let me show you practically how it is. Let me launch my management studio and let's connect to both default and named instances. I installed SQL Server total 2 times. First time I installed default instance. Second time I installed named instance. Order really doesn't matter. Let me go to browse. Let me go to local and see, this is the SQL school. This is my computer name. This is my default instance. How do I know? Server name is simply computer name. It is called default instance. And same way, let me connect, browse, local, and connect to this local server and trust server certificate and connect. This is the named instance. So remember, one default and 49 named instances per OS, or all 50 can be named instances. Means 0 default, 50 named, or 1 default, 49 named. Now the question arises, why we have these many numbers or these many limits? Remember, in real world, we always use production environment default instance. For dev and test environments, it will be usually named instance. Dev and test named instances, but production environment always default instance. So doing this way, there will be a unique differentiation, easy to manage the environments in real world projects. Without instance concept, we cannot imagine the implementation of SQL Server in real world. What more? Yes, every instance has its own set of system databases, its own set of agents, its own set of services for database engine, its own integration services activity, replication component, etc. And in my classes, I will be including good number of interview questions, clarifications, practical insight, real-time case studies, real-world project with good amount of hands-on. What more you want? I am here to deliver what you really need to secure your job. Please do reach me for understanding more about the course curriculum, more about the content, more about understanding how to secure our job profile and get into the next level skill set of SQL. Let's get to the deep dive of SQL. I'm here to guide you further. Either you are going for live online or self-paced videos or classroom for your level up activities on any technology on data stack, I'm here to guide you. See you in my next video. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.